Hi guys, welcome to my channel and open any browsers and type in the URL msci.com and then hit enter. After that you can see right inside search icon, just click on it, then enter the model number of your motherboard and then hit enter. After that search on this website your motherboard and scroll down, you can see this is your motherboard and just single click to name. Then click on support. After that click on driver and download. Then click on BIOS and select the driver. Then select operating system Windows 10 and 11. So both operating system installations and driver download and installations process same. So guys, you can see this is your all driver required on board. And first chipset, you can see this is chipset driver and click to download. And this is actual first download, then I show you installation. Then VGA driver, onboard VGA driver, display driver, graphic driver you can say, and click to download. Then audio driver, SD audio driver and click to download. And then LAN driver. So LAN driver, download, scroll down, Bluetooth driver, download, Wi-Fi driver, download, and 100 GB super LAN driver, which is you can say the ultra LAN driver. So this is all our downloading in the download box and it will complete, then I show you installations process. So guys, after that some time it's completed, then you can see this is your required driver. Just click on full download history and after that click on this folder where it is downloaded. Okay, so first guys, you can install directly, you just double click, otherwise you can extract one by one in same location and then you can install. Okay, so install directly, just double click to open, then VGA, and this is installer, double click, then click to yes. After that loading the driver and then install, wait few seconds to install. It will take some time and depend about your system's other configuration, and very simple, next to install. So this is installing. After that click on bring install. Now the checking the system configurations. After this is installed and then closest, then this is the LAN driver, just double click to open this folder, and this is setup, just double click to launch. And then click to yes. Now you can see this is preparing to install, and wait few seconds to installations. And then click to, and yes, after the installations, and then finish it, and then close. This is Intel driver of this. So double click to open, and require the all driver to install. This is a SATA drivers. So double click and just RSTLs double click, and then click to yes. This driver is not mandatory to require to your monitor motherboard. And then quit, and then close it. After that, this is audio driver. Just single click to open this folder, and find out setup.exe, scroll down, and just double click to launch. After that, require the administrator rights to click yes. Then next. Now this is installing the audio driver. Wait few seconds to complete. So audio driver installing. So it is installed. So no reset letter to finish. When it is all completed, then restart. So this is chipset driver. Just double click to open, and select this folder to again. After that, double click to open, and this is setup chipset driver. So again click to double click. After that, require the administrator rights to click to yes. Then next, accept, and then install. After that, click to yes. Now this is installing. So it is done, and then click to OK, and then close. So guys, all the install and then restart your system. Thank you.